We go ahead and start the day by creating a road closure so that this particular area of the road is safe to walk around, safe to drive around for the construction personnel that's out here. Anything beyond these cones are public use, public access. But for this side, it's our turn. It's their turn to make sure that these roads are kept a lot safer. We begin another project here, and this is going to be in the Odessa area. Odessa, Texas. Now, we're gathering up all our two tractors. Those are all filled up with mix, pavement mix. Just getting the machine ready, which is not this one, but the one in front of here. This particular machine is a very wonderful item. It makes pavement, makes streets real nice. I've seen it make streets real nice, real smooth, brand new. It makes driving a lot safer. Texas highways. Look what happened from a beautiful day turned out to be raining. Man, I hope they don't cancel it. It'd be a total loss financially for me. Let's see, roll this window down so you can see how it looks like from the other side. There's the rain coming down here. It's still raining still.